Welcome to phase one of this MCP series, the overview and foundation. This phase or this part of the presentation is intentionally non-technical because before we write any code, we need to confront a much bigger problem. Today, for example, organizations believe they are adopting AI. In reality, most of them are deploying isolated intelligence. The large language model LLMs are powerful, but they operate in a vacuum. They don't know, for example, your data, and they don't understand your systems. And also, they don't have reliable governed access to the information that actually runs your business or your systems. To work around this problem, organizations start bolting tools onto models like APIs, plugins, connectors, RAG pipelines, each built differently, each tightly coupled, and each is fragile. At a small scale, though, this looks like a progress. At enterprise scale, it becomes a mess. Why? Because every new model multiplies integration, and every new system creates more bespoke glue code. Security rules are re-implemented again and again, governance is inconsistent, and maintenance costs explodes. This is not though an engineering problem, it is an architectural one. And what is missing is not another model or another framework or another agent, but a standard way for AI to interact with systems. That's why the model context protocol exists, which is MCP. MCP introduced a universal integration layer between AI models and enterprise systems, a protocol that standardizes how tools, data, and actions are discovered, invoked, secured, and audited. In this phase, or we will break down why tool-based AI architectures fail to scale, how the industry arrived at MCP, and why protocol, not another SDK, was the only viable solution. By the end of this overview, you don't just understand what MCP is, but you'll also understand why it was inevitable and why every serious AI systems is now converging on this model. Let us begin by looking at the illusions of the intelligence most AI systems create today.